Just when you think Lincoln hit a home run with the all-new MKZ, they come out with this, the MKC. Unbelievably beautiful. First mid-size SUV Lincoln has ever released. Let me show you a little bit about it. The new MKC comes in two choices for your power plant. The standard being the 2.0 EcoBoost or turbocharged, which gives you plenty of horsepower, maximize your gas mileage, or you have the 2.3, as you see here, EcoBoost or turbocharged motor, which will come with an all-wheel drive. The first thing you'll notice when you get near your new Lincoln MKC is the welcome mat. A unique mat, it's a projection light from the mirror on the ground which will not only reveal maybe ice, water on the ground, but also will project that Lincoln logo within that welcome mat light. Matter of fact, you have lights everywhere that'll welcome you. You know you're getting near that car because there's LED lights in the door handles. You have LED lights up front, on top, and also down below. And if you'll notice on the back, they've gone back to that LED lighting all the way across the back. There's even ambient lighting on the interior, so I'm telling you, this thing will glow when you get near your vehicle. The other feature with regard to the mirrors is that they're powerful, class exclusive. And with regard to the mirrors and maybe parking, parallel parking for example, Park Assist is available on this car, so parallel parking is an issue, not with the MKC. I think one of the most underrated features on the MKC is Active Park Assist, especially when you're in the city. What that allows you to do, if you're uncomfortable parallel parking, simply hit the P button here on your center stack. Immediately, it's scanning for a spot on your right. Now, if it's on the left, you'll need to turn your turn signal on to the left. It'll scan on your left side. Right now, it's just searching, found a spot, tells me to pull forward, stop the vehicle. At that time, simply put it in reverse, take your hands off the steering wheel, and proceed backwards. As you can see, it's pulling into the spot without me steering. Keep your foot on the brake. It tells me to put it in forward, so I simply hit drive. It steers forward, evens it up, and puts you in the perfect spot. Yet another class exclusive is the power liftgate, hands-free. You can either do it with your key fob or just by kicking underneath the rear of the vehicle, it'll power up on its own. With regard to safety, not only do I have the sensors in the mirror, but also you have them up front here. So if you're pulling out, you don't see cross traffic, it'll alert you. Not only front, but also back. Not only that, but if you have your cruise control set, it'll alert you if you're approaching a vehicle and actually slow the vehicle down. Now, with regard to safety inside your car, airbags, not only in front, like maybe you're used to, sides of the seat, all along the top of the windows here, and also down here below your knee. Now, I will tell you on this, again, I mentioned the rear safety sensors back here. You also have class exclusive standard rear view camera. With regard to the interior, it's a very unique feature in that you have ambient lighting. So you're able to adjust the colors of the accent lighting on the interior for maybe, I don't know, your mood or your style. Not only do you have the beautiful quality craftsmanship on the exterior, the appeal, but that carries on to the interior as well. First thing you notice is the leather, silky soft. What this is Bridge-Aware leather, which is one of the oldest leather companies in the world. Immediately feel the difference. Not only that, but come inside and look at this wood detailing, and that is real wood, folks. With regard to the interior, what I have here is another class exclusive feature by Lincoln and MKC. What you have here is actually push button gear selection. Not only push button start, but gear selection right here. What that does, eliminate anything right in your way here, so you have more room for drinks, what have you, right here in the center. But not only that, but it's angled back towards you, so if you need to make a selection on the radio, change your climate, it's easily accessible right here at your center stack. In the center stack, there's 4 quadrants broken up to phone, entertainment, climate, and navigation. Now, with regard to the phone, what you do, one time, hook your phone up and you're able to make and receive phone calls simply by touching a button on your steering wheel. With regard to the entertainment, AM, FM, Sirius, maybe streaming music off your iPhone. With regard to the climate, there's several different adjustments, maybe from your heated seats to air-conditioned seats, even a heated steering wheel. Now, I will let you know there's dual climate controls, and that's standard. So if maybe one person likes it a little bit warmer than the other, no problem, 18-degree variance. On the right-hand side, top navigation, very user-friendly. So if you're not sure where you are, you simply hit the navigation. The MKC always knows where you are. And if you know where you're going, you can simply punch in the address and it'll get you there very easily. Or if maybe you're not sure, maybe a local restaurant or a local gas station and the prices, right here on your screen. Whenever you're driving around, maybe the highway, a country road on a beautiful day, who doesn't like a moonroof? Not only does this have a moonroof, it actually has something more. It's actually a class exclusive panoramic vista roof. What that allows you to do is open up the front part of this. The back part is fixed, but you still get that open airiness of being in a convertible without having that air blowing you all over the place. When you're driving in a busy city, you don't want to take your hands off the steering wheel. The thing about the Lincoln MKC, you don't have to. You can control almost everything right here. Not only from your cruise, but if you want to monitor your gas mileage, see how many miles to empty you have. You can adjust the distance between you and the driver in front of you. Over here on the right side, volume controls, changing the media from FM to Sirius to streaming music off your phone. Not only that, but you can make and receive phone calls, again, just a touch of the button on your steering wheel. So what you have here in the 2015 MKC is sporty, luxury, sophistication, everything you'd want in a luxury midsize SUV. So come in and experience it, see how it separates itself from others in its class.